Today I am going to cook an Assam style vegetable pulao. This dish takes me back to my childhood days in Assam again and again. Let's have a look at the ingredients for this recipe. I have got some rice here. In Assam we use joha saul, which is a small grain rice, very aromatic, but you can also use basmati rice. I have taken here around 200 grams of basmati rice, soaked for some time. Then I have here onions. Since we said vegetable pulao, we need to add some color. I have here some green peas, cut French beans. We also have carrots, and we need to add some garam masala to add that flavor. So we have some bay leaves, raisins, the akka garam masala, which is the elaichi and the long. Cashew nuts, you cannot go without it. Garlic, ginger, salt, and yes, the most important ingredient, oil. Now that we know the ingredients, so let's get cooking. But the first step is to heat the pressure cooker. We're going to pour the oil now. We'll let it heat a bit, so that when we put the other ingredients, it sizzles. So here goes the garam masala, and I'm going to put the bay leaves in now. Let it splutter. Give a slight stir. So now it's time to add the sliced onions. Here I go. It's sizzling. I'm sure you all are able to hear the sizzle. Keep stirring now for some time till the onion becomes slightly brown. Just again a very important thing. Otherwise, you know how raw onions taste. No one wants to leave that taste in the mouth. Here I add the garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Give it a stir. Oh, the aroma is inviting, I must tell you guys. So we are going to add the vegetables. First I go with the beans, then the green peas, lastly the carrots. We need to stir it. The ingredients in the cooker looks nice, beautiful to me. It's time to add the rice now. Here goes our rice. We'll stir the rice now. This is a very tricky part, because if you do not stir it properly, the rice might get burned. I can see the rice turning a bit brownish. A little more time. After that we can add some water. Another point to remember here is that you have to use warm water. That's very important. I pour the water. At this point you have to remember that after adding the warm water, you need not stir too much, otherwise your rice will break. You definitely do not want a broken pulao, right? Now I'm going to add the dry fruits. Here goes the cashew nuts. In goes the raisins. Salt. 1 quick stir. This should be fine. We close the lid now. Wait for 2 whistles and it should be fine. So 2 whistles are already blaring the house. It's time to open the pressure cooker. Let's look how our pulao has been. Oh, the aroma is killing. It's so magical. I wish you guys were here with me today. The rice is cooked and it looks brilliant, gorgeous, whatever you want to name it. Smells heavenly. It has transported me back to Assam. You can have the pulao as it is. Today I am going to have it with some sour cream. If you like today's recipe, hit like, share with your friends, but do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Till then, this is Gitika telling you bye-bye.